Have you ever stopped to think about how many times you interact with artificial intelligence every single day? It's not just a sci-fi concept from the movies anymore. It's a real, powerful force that's quietly reshaping our world from the moment we wake up to the moment we go to sleep. So, what exactly is AI? Simply put, it's the science of making machines smart, enabling them to learn, reason, and solve problems just like humans. And trust me, it's already more integrated into your life than you probably realize. Stick around because today we are going on a journey to uncover the hidden AI all around us and see how it is changing everything. Let's start with the device you're probably holding right now. Your mobile phone. That's a powerhouse of AI. Think about your virtual assistant, whether it's Siri or Google Assistant. It understands your voice, answers your questions, and sets your alarms. That's AI. When your phone AS camera automatically adjusts the lighting for the perfect photo or suggests organizing your pictures by faces, that's AI too. Even the predictive text that finishes your sentences for you is a form of machine learning. Your phone isn't just a communication device. It's a personalized AI companion that learns your habits to make your life easier. Now let's look at the classroom. Education is undergoing a massive transformation thanks to AI. Gone are the days of one-size-fits-all learning. AI-powered educational platforms can now create personalized learning paths for each student. They can identify where a student is struggling and provide extra practice, or challenge a high achiever with more advanced material. This technology also helps teachers by automating grading and administrative tasks, freeing them up to do what they do best: inspire and mentor their students. It's about creating a smarter, more adaptive learning environment for everyone. In the world of business, AI is the ultimate game changer. For marketing teams, AI algorithms analyze vast amounts of customer data to predict what you might want to buy next. That's why the ads you see online often feel spookily relevant. Businesses use AI for everything from optimizing their supply chains to providing 24/7 customer support through chatbots. It helps them make smarter decisions, understand their customers on a deeper level, and operate more efficiently than ever before. AI is no longer a luxury for big corporations. It's becoming an essential tool for survival and growth in the modern economy. Even for creators and entrepreneurs, AI is breaking down barriers. Take website editing, for example. In the past, you needed to be a coding expert to build a beautiful, functional website. Now, AI-powered website builders can design a professional-looking site for you in minutes just by asking a few questions about your business and style preferences. They can suggest layouts, color schemes, and even generate written content. This democratization of web design means that anyone with a great idea can create a stunning online presence without needing a huge budget or technical skills. The same revolution is happening in app development. Building an app used to be a complex, time-consuming process reserved for skilled developers. Today, no-code and low-code platforms infused with AI are making it possible for anyone to turn their app idea into a reality. AI can help with everything from designing the user interface to writing the underlying code and even testing the app for bugs. This opens up a world of innovation, allowing more people to create solutions for problems they see in their own communities. Perhaps one of the most incredible frontiers for AI is in medicine. AI is helping doctors diagnose diseases earlier and with greater accuracy. Machine learning models can analyze medical images like X-rays and MRIs to spot signs of illness that might be missed by the human eye. AI is also accelerating drug discovery, analyzing complex biological data to identify potential new treatments for diseases. From robotic surgery assistants that enhance a surgeon's precision to wearable devices that monitor our health in real time, AI is not just improving healthcare, it's saving lives. AI plays a big role in keeping us safe. It's used in cameras that recognize faces and track movement. In airports and offices, AI systems can detect suspicious activity and alert security teams instantly. Even at home, AI security systems use sensors and smart locks that protect your house when you're away. AI can detect fraud, track stolen items, and even stop online scams before they happen. It's like having a digital bodyguard. AI is a game changer for banks, helping them handle millions of transactions securely every day. It keeps an eye out for anyone trying to hack or swipe your cash and shuts them down instantly. When you use online banking or credit cards, AI looks for strange patterns to catch scams. It can also help you save money by studying your spending and giving smart advice. Traders use AI to read the stock market and make fast, accurate decisions, faster than any human could. So next time your payment is safe or your account gets an alert, thank AI for watching your back. Let's bring it back home. Your bedroom might be smarter than you think. The rise of smart homes is all thanks to AI. Your smart speaker that plays your favorite morning playlist, the thermostat that learns your temperature preferences and adjusts automatically to save energy, and the smart lighting that you can control with your voice. It's all interconnected AI. These devices work together to create a living space that anticipates your needs, making your home more comfortable, convenient, and efficient. It's like having a personal butler who works silently in the background. And it doesn't stop there. AI has even made its way into the washroom. Smart bathrooms are becoming a reality. Imagine a mirror that analyzes your skin and suggests a skincare routine, or a toilet that can analyze waste for early health warnings. Smart showers can be programmed to your ideal temperature and duration to conserve water. While some of these might sound futuristic, they highlight how AI is being designed to integrate seamlessly into every aspect of our daily routines, enhancing our health and well-being in unexpected ways. When you step outside, AI is running our transportation systems. Navigation apps like Google Maps and Waze use real-time AI to analyze traffic patterns and find you the fastest route, saving you time and frustration. But the real revolution is just around the corner with self-driving cars. These vehicles use a complex network of sensors, cameras, and powerful AI algorithms to perceive the world around them and navigate safely without human intervention. This technology has the potential to dramatically reduce accidents, ease traffic congestion, and completely redefine our relationship with travel. With all this technology, you might be wondering, can AI help me earn an income? The answer is a resounding yes. The digital economy is full of opportunities powered by AI. From freelancing on platforms that use AI to match your skills with clients, to creating and selling digital art generated with AI tools, the possibilities are expanding. You could start an e-commerce business using AI to manage inventory and marketing, or become a content creator and use AI to edit videos and analyze audience engagement. AI is creating new job roles and making entrepreneurship more accessible than ever. So, what does the future hold? The pace of AI development is staggering. We can expect AI to become even more sophisticated and integrated into our lives. We'll see advancements in fields like general intelligence, where machines can reason and solve problems across a wide range of domains, much like humans. This will lead to breakthroughs we can barely imagine today, from solving climate change to exploring the cosmos. The future of AI is not just about smarter technology. It is about augmenting human potential and helping us solve some of the world's biggest challenges. In conclusion, artificial intelligence is no longer a distant dream. It's a present-day reality that is fundamentally changing how we live, work, learn, and connect with each other. From the simple convenience of predictive text to the life-saving potential of medical diagnostics, AI is the silent partner in our modern world. It's making our lives more efficient, personalized, and full of possibilities. The key is to embrace this change, understand its power, and guide its development toward a future that benefits all of humanity. Thank you so much for joining me on this exploration of the world of AI. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. What part of AI excites you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious.